He moved on his wheel, his tire all the way to the right. We have some marker signs. We have some marker signs in here. You see these two dots. This is what you see, two dots right here. This one and that one. Now he is doing straight his trailer and tractor to see two cones all the way in the back. These are the two cones that he wants to see. Now he wants to check where his trailer right now, just to make sure that he is on the right position. Little bit more back so that he can go inside the box. He's almost there, but he's want to make sure that he is inside the box. Now he going to turn his wheel all the way to the left so that his trailer go to the right. You see his wheel? He is now inside of the box for his parallel parking. Once he done his maneuver, he will blow the horn and complete his maneuver. That's called parallel parking. You see this side and this side of the phone.